Hello and welcome back to Apt for You. In this particular video, we are going to continue our discussion on the bit manipulation that we are basically performing. And this is the next problem from bit manipulation, and it is basically isolating the rightmost one bit. So in this particular problem, we are going to see how can we actually isolate the rightmost one bit present in a number. So basically, if you have a number 26, n equal to 26, and if you represent it in binary form, you will be having a number like 11010. So this number here, this binary number 11010, is the binary representation of the number 26. I am interested in isolating the rightmost one bit, which the problem says. So rightmost one bit, you can see this one is here, this one here is the leftmost one, right? But I am interested in extracting the rightmost one, and basically this is the rightmost one, means the last one present in the number. Obviously this is the one, right? So I actually have to extract this from this particular number. So extracting means my whole focus should be here, and that means the every other bit will become 0, and this bit will become 1, and this is what should be my output. I hope you're getting the point. This should be my output, right? That means all the bits will become 0, only this bit will be existing. That means I have successfully extracted this particular bit. How do we get this output? How can we find out this output? So basically, in order to extract the rightmost one, what we do is, the trick is, take the number n and perform bitwise AND operation between the number n and the negative of n, right? So now the question is, how do we calculate the negative of n? So remember, in binary, the negative of n is nothing but 2's complement of n, right? So if you have a number 11010, which is 26, the 2's complement, how do we calculate? First of all, we calculate the 1 complement. Then we add 1 to it, and this is our 2's complement of the number, right? 2's complement of n, that means this is n, right? This is n complement. This here we added 1, and now it became 2's complement, right? Minus n. This is minus n. So given that we already have calculated minus n, and we also have the value n, this is n, what we do is, as per our trick, we will perform bitwise AND operation between n and minus n. So n here is 11010, right? This is the n. Minus n here is 00110, and we need to perform bitwise AND, which will give us 01000. So you can see we have basically successfully extracted the rightmost one bit, and we have basically received our output, right? So what do we write in the code? We are receiving the number n equal to 26 as input, and we are calling the function isolate rightmost one. This is a receiving an integer argument, and what will it do is basically perform the operation n equal to n and minus n. So whatever operation we just saw right now will be performed by this line, right? That is a bitwise operation, a bitwise AND between the number n and minus n, and update it to n, right? And update the value of n. Since it is an integer type function, so definitely we should return something. What will be returned? The value of n. That is what we need, the updated value of n. And now what will be the output if we are passing 26? So we saw right now, this is the output, and what is the decimal representation of this? 2. So 2 should be our output, and if you just execute this code, so we will basically get 2 as our output. So yeah, so you can see we have received 2 as our output. So this is all from this particular video. I hope this video was helpful. In case of any doubt, please feel free to put it out in the comment section, and just like, share and subscribe. And I hope you understood how we are basically isolating the rightmost one bit. So that's all from this side. Thank you.